Okay, so in the last video I have told you about ratio, about the concept of ratio, that what is ratio, what is antecedent, what is consequent, and that lesser inequality type and greater inequality type, all that. Now we'll start with the chapter. This one is not there in your syllabus. From 2 up to 10 is there. Okay, there one correction will be there. A bamboo stick is, I will do the sums, I will show you. First let me tell you the correction. A bamboo stick is 2 meter long. 75, this will not be 75. If we want to have the answer of the book, this should be 0.75 meter of it. Okay, not 75 of it, that's not right. That will be 0.75 meter of it is colored red. Make that correction 1, that much. Okay, so coming to these sums are there. This 4 number and 6 number I will do it for you. Let's express the following quantities in ratio and identify the ratio of greater inequality ratio and ratio of lesser inequality. Okay, so coming to the copy, this one. So what is told? We have to find out the ratio of that 4.9 liter and 8.4 liter. So I have written there ratio of 4.9 liter and 8.4 liter equals to, now we write it in ratio form, 4.9 liter ratio 8.4 liter equals to same units. So they will cut, but no need of cutting, just write like that in fraction form, 4.9 by 8.4. Both are in decimal, so we will write it like this, 49 by 10. That means 4.4 decimal line, 4 decimal line means 49 by 10, and 8.4 means 84 by 10. This 10 cuts 10, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what is the final answer? 7 by 12. Okay, so therefore ratio of 4.9 liter and 8.4 liter is what comes? 7 by 12. In ratio form it is 7 ratio 12. Now here see that 7 is less than 12, that is 7 is less than 12, that is antecedent is less than consequent. That means it is a ratio of which type? This one is less, this one is more, this one is lesser than this one. So this is a ratio of lesser inequality type. Okay, so the required final answer is, the required ratio is 7 ratio 12 and it is a ratio of lesser inequality. Clear? If the first one antecedent is greater than consequent, then we will write there it is a ratio of greater inequality. Okay, now coming to sum number 6. It's told to find the ratio between 1 hour 24 minutes and 6 hours 18 minutes. Okay, ratio of 1 hour 18 minutes and 6 hour 18 minutes equals to hour minute. 2 units are there, so first we have to convert them into the smaller unit, that is this one, minutes. Okay, so 60 plus 24 minutes ratio, I mean to say 1 hour means 60 minutes plus 24, that much minutes for the first one, and there it's 6 hours. 6 hour means 6 into 60 minutes plus 80 minutes. There comes 84 minutes and 378 minutes. That is equals to 84 by 378. I will cut it out by 2. So we'll get 42 and 1 89. Now by 7 6 are 42, 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 2 by 9. Therefore ratio of 1 hour 24 minutes and 6 hours 18 minutes equals to 2:9. Here also 2 less than 9, that is antecedent less than consequent. Okay, so final answer is the required ratio is 2:9 and it's a ratio of lesser inequality type. Okay, now here comes the third one. What is told? There is a bamboo sticks of 2 meter long. I have written that a bamboo sticks is 2 meter long. 0.75 meter of it is colored red. It is told there. Now the third part is rest part is colored white. So rest part means if we subtract 0.75 meter from 2 meter, we'll get the rest part, which is equals to rest part is colored white. So the length of the white portion, that is that rest part, so 2 meter minus 0.75 meter, that will give us 1.25 meter. Okay, now first question that is asked, that let us find the ratio between the total length of the bamboo and the portion painted red. Okay, so we will write ratio between the total length of the bamboo and the portion painted red equals to, what is the total length? The total length is 2 meter and the portion colored red is 0.75 meter. Okay, so I'm changing it to centimeter because there is point. So I am changing it to centimeter, or you can change that decimal number to 75 by 100, like that also you can do, but I am changing it to centimeter. The calculation will be easier. That is 200 centimeter ratio 75 centimeter. So when we will write it in fraction form, that is 200 by 75, same units will cut out. I'll cut by 5, 5 4s are 10, 0, 5 1s are 5, and it's clear now. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are, and 5 3s are. So the ratio is equals to 8:3. Okay, and the second part, the second question is, I am leaving that for you. You will do that same thing. It is told to find the ratio between, let's find the ratio between the total length of the bamboo and the portion painted white. Similar to this one, write like this one, put the values, find the ratios. So the second part I am leaving for you. Okay, try it by yourself. Now third part, coming to the third part, let's find the ratio between the part colored red and colored white. I'm again showing you the same thing again. The ratio between the part colored red and the part colored white equals to the part colored red, that is this one, 0.75 meter, 0.75 centimeter ratio. This one white portion is 1.25, so 1.25. Oh sorry, this one is meter. Here I will not convert it into centimeter. See, after decimal there is 2 numbers. There are also 2 numbers, so we can cut that point out. How? Like this. 0.75 means 75 by 100 and 1.25 means 125 by 100. 100 cut out. See that 75 by 125 remains. Like that I am doing that. Now I'll cut it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So 3 by 5, the ratio equals to 3:5. So the ratio of the total length of the bamboo to the portion painted red, this is the first answer, this one, 8:3. Second one I have not done, you will do that and you will write the answer, okay. And then coming to the third portion, the ratio between the part colored red and the part colored white, the third answer, that is 3:5. I'm writing that this answer is 3:5. This is your sum, okay, the overall sum. So up to that.